Hi, I'm Mark from the locals at Ray White. 7/9 Don Croot Street has first home buyers written all over it. Figuratively, of course. Let's take a look. What a perfect step onto the ladder. 2 beds and a bath, virtually no maintenance, and an off-street park, all in Auckland's top-rated suburb. Some of the decks have just been redone. These 70s blocks will probably outlive us all, so you're in a safe and secure spot. So now you're on Trade Me, browsing all the different properties, and an email comes in from your property manager. Another inspection, great. In fact, they didn't even email, they just turned up. And now they're sitting on your couch, probably eating your food too. Either way, they're telling you that your home isn't clean enough. And that photo of your nephew that you blue tacked to your mirror, that's gotta go. Because your landlord hates your family, you know that. Either way, it now costs $100 more a week to live here, because why not? But I'll tell you what, if you buy this place, you're not paying somebody else's mortgage anymore, and you can do whatever you want to the place. Come along this weekend and check it out.